I will show around. Today I just saw the open box for I had A6 Max Wallke A6 Max. Um, I also opened the box today, and I not get paid to this company to pay me to do this video, but I just like to do the YouTube video. I just do capture and then I post on YouTube. So and I will also use this bike to do little bit workout and go see different place in Fresno, yeah, Clovis, Fresno Clovis area, and then I will post all this in the my YouTube video. And this really secure box. It's very heavy. Okay, but I pick up by myself to bring it in here. I think it's maybe a little bit over 100-pound package with the bike and the protection. So this, let's see how well is. Wow. Oh. Yeah, let's see inside. Wow, some orange screw. Let's see what things can just cover protected. Come out. Foam protection. Handlebar. It's a pack. Oh, this heavy. This bike is very heavy. I don't know if I can take it out like this. Have to move over here. Have to slide it out carefully. Let's see if I can slide it out. Whoa, we have key right here. Let me get wire cutter. Oh, the key's lying in there, but it's okay. This is not to scrap this and scrap this out. Slide it out because it's heavy. The tire is big. Wow. Oh shoot. it. This is a key. It comes with 2 keys. See, I'll cut all this out. Okay. This is another tie here. Okay guys, this it comes with the headlamp, headlight, and this pedal, fifth pedal, and this set of element, and this 13 and 15 millimeter, and this box I think is charger. This one right here. This charger. Okay, let's see what it says here. Lion battery charger 4 amp. Output is 54.6 volt and 5 amp. Look like a pretty good one. So this coming out, and the power cord. Okay, then I will start put those two together. Okay guys, on this brake right here, you have this guy. This guy is for protection, the brake they put in there. See, you have to remove this out, plastic, and then you put your tires on. Let's see how easily I can do. So okay, this side. Okay, this is assembly bumper, and the headlight is not hard to assembly, but fortunately it's missing this screw, so I have to go to hardware store to get this, like $2 something. Let's see how it works. Go on. Go on to me. Okay, hold on. Okay, you have to loose this screw here out. You have to screw. Use the tool that come with it. If you don't know about the mechanical thing, it kind of like it's not easy to put together. You have to kind of like know. And I have to adjust that caliper brake because it's not line up, so you cannot drive it there because the brake, it might be not good for a long time. Use it. You have to adjust, make sure that brake on the center. Let me put the bumper here first. The reason I didn't put the bumper before I put the tire because I have to look for the screw. It's missing screw. How with it? It's only $2, so I just go to the hardware store to grab one. I contact Amazon. They say they go to contact the seller, but I didn't hear anything. So you take these two screw out, and then you put this in. Okay, put this and put the washer. This the screw to screw it in. The screw have Loctite with it. Okay, just hold it, then I will put this two on. Okay, this is my first time take a ride out to open the box and assembly. And assembly kind of like it's not that hard, but you need to adjust the brake. It's not line up good, and adjust the chain. A couple things you adjust. Also that my first ride today, first time. I will try slowly, like they said. Go to the gear 1, 2, 3. See how it works slowly, because I know how to use the road bike. I think it's not that hard, but the first time go. Let's see what happens. I'll return it on. Motors on. I think you can see the screen. Turn the light on, everything, and let's see my first ride. I will let you know on the road. So I'll not go that far today. I will go around the block, and I think the seat a little bit low. I will put it up a little bit, but you know, when I get up, I don't know what's the difference. I need to be adjusted. All right. I will hit the plus. It will go to 1. Okay. I will use 1 first. Okay. Oh, it's like 10 miles an hour. Just one is go to 10 miles an hour. I'm not trying to get the speed testing or anything today, just a test drive. When you pedal, it start take it off. These are gear number 4. Let's move to gear number 5. So on one's gear number 5, I think the last one already. Six. Seven is last gear. This on 1. Let me go down to 0. So what's it look like? Okay, 0. Oh, 0 is no power. 0 is like you ride a bike. Yeah. Okay, just put 1. Yeah, the takeoff is like 10, 11 mile, 12 mile an hour. This I put high gear, gear number 7. But actually, I need to adjust the brake pad because it has the, it's not in the center, I mean. And the gear and the chains. This number 1 is go this fast. I think we can use a number 5 for the gear. It's easy to pedal, but for me, it's number 6 or 7 is the bigger one. The small gear in the back. I think I need to move the seat up a little bit because it's a little bit low. Wow, it's nice. The battery is still 100%. Oh, it's even almost fall down when I go down because I'm not used to it. This seat I put up high. Seat. When you go down, you have to go down a different way, not like go down from the side. You cannot go down from the side. You have to go down like slow down and go forward and then step down. It's pretty good. It take a couple minutes, it's still 100%.